You know what is common between this video and this video? They both are bullshit. One of them just keep yapping about keto and intermittent fasting with a clickbait thumbnail. Come on man. Losing 5 kgs in 1 week, it's not possible by any healthy means. And the second one, making a simple concept of calories in and calories out way too complicated. Just like them. Here are some more myths about losing fat floating around YouTube as facts. Before this, do the thing and the stuff. The first one is you have to eat less to lose fat. It's so fucking simple. It's calories in, calories out. मतलब तुम कितना खा रहे हो और कितना जला रहे हो. There are some food out there जो बहुत ज़्यादा satiating होंगे. मतलब तुम्हें उनसे बहुत कम कैलोरीज मिलेंगी मगर तुम्हारा पेट उनसे बहुत भर जाएगा. कुछ फूड है बहुत कम satiate करेंगे तुम्हें और बहुत ज़्यादा कैलोरीज इंक्लूड होंगी उनसे. तुमको ये नॉलेज इकट्ठी करने की ज़रूरत है कि किस फूड में कितनी कैलोरीज है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस मच पोर्शन ऑफ कुकीज एंड दिस मच पोर्शन ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, सेम कैलोरीज. पेट उनसे कितना भरे उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता मगर ये दोनों सेम कैलोरीज इंक्लूड करेंगे. यू डोंट नीड टू अवॉइड एनीथिंग. जस्ट अपने कैलोरी गोल के हिसाब से फूड चूज करो जो तुम्हारा पेट भी पर्याप्त भर दे और कैलोरीज भी ज़्यादा इंक्लूड ना करें. यू डोंट नीड टू स्टार्व योरसेल्फ टू डेथ. बट some people goes to the other side of the spectrum and believe you should never feel hungry. The idea that you can eat in a caloric surplus for months or even years, enjoying the caloric surplus, and to think that there is no price to pay or sacrifices to have on going to the opposite side of the spectrum. Sorry to inform you, that's just not how life works. सच बात तो ये है कि अगर तुम्हें कभी कभी भूख नहीं लगती है, the chances are you are not even in a caloric deficit. If you are constantly burning more calories than you consuming, which is the thing that you have to do to lose fat, तुम्हारी बॉडी कुछ हद तक हंगर सिग्नल सेंड करेगी to motivate you to eat more. Sometimes of the day during cut, अगर तुम्हें भूख लगती है तो it's totally normal. It's not like something is wrong with you. It's just the natural part of the process of losing fat. The key is to minimize it, not try to completely eliminate it. और ये बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है before starting a cut. So you can develop the correct mindset to losing fat. Third, you can lose all the fat in 1 week, just like beer biceps is proposing. Okay. टू बी फ्रैंक, तुम लूज कर सकते हो बहुत वेट एक हफ्ते में, बट ओनली इफ यू वांट जस्ट एब्स एंड यू आर ओके विथ योर आर्म्स बीइंग लाइक ट्विग. यू नीड टू डू इट स्लोली, अदरवाइज यू लूज मोस्टली योर मसल मास, नॉट द फैट, एंड you don't want that, right? Losing 1% of your body weight while lifting heavy weights is the ideal way to preserve as much muscle mass as possible and losing as much fat as possible. Remember that losing fat is a tiringly slow process. If you try to do it too quickly, you just end up with a skinnier version of yourself, and you don't want that, right? Stretch your goals over a longer period of time, and remember, it's not a sprint, it's a fucking marathon. Fourth one, you have to eat this specific food to lose weight. You have seen endless video like eat this superfood to lose weight, eat this to lose weight without even trying. Sorry to break it to you, there is no individual superfood that can make you lose fat. Again, burning fat, it's all depend upon your caloric intake. तुमने कभी ना कभी सुना होगा कि बेटा बस गर्म पानी में नींबू डाल के पी लो, तुम्हारा सारा वजन कम हो जाएगा. इसको पीने के बाद भी अगर तुम राक्षसों जैसा खा रहे हो, तुम्हारा वजन कम नहीं होने वाला. But you have to keep this in mind. The high caloric food are generally easier to overeat. You know, it's impossible for a fat prick like you to stop at just one cookie. So you have to be mindful about what you are eating and how much you are eating it. And also there is no negative calorie food that just burn calories. और तुमने सुना होगा कि तुम्हें healthy fats की ज़रूरत है अगर तुम्हें अपना वजन कम करना है. Fats are generally necessary no matter what your goal is. But if you are literally munching on bags of almonds and dark chocolate which are extremely caloric dense, the net result is gonna be negative for you. You end up not losing but gaining weight. Fifth, I am repeating myself with this, but doing cardio before lifting. अगर तुम्हारा गोल ये है कि तुम्हें बस वेट लूज करना है, तुम्हें कोई परवाह नहीं है तुम मसल लूज करो या फैट लूज करो, then it's totally fine. You can do intensive cardio whenever you want. If you want to preserve as much muscle mass as possible, only try to lose fat, then you should avoid cardio before the lifting session. तुम्हारी स्ट्रेंथ वैसे ही एक डाउन टर्न पर होगी क्योंकि तुम कैलोरिक डेफिसिट में हो. पर से अगर तुम 20-30 मिनट का इंटेंसिव कार्डियो जस्ट बिफोर एक वर्कआउट सेशन के करोगे तो फिर हो गया ना कल्याण. तुम्हें वैसे ही हेवी वेट्स लिफ्ट करने के लिए कार्डियोवैस्कुलर एबिलिटी की ज़रूरत है. सोचो एक बार, जब तुम कोई स्क्वाट्स या डेडलिफ्ट परफॉर्म करते हो, तुम ट्राई करते हो अपनी पीआर को पुश करने का, तुम्हारी सांसें कितनी फूल जाती हैं. फॉर कंपाउंड लिफ्ट यू नीड योर कार्डियोवैस्कुलर एबिलिटी. इफ यू आर डूइंग 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio before a session for a warm up, totally fine. The problem arises when you do full blown cardio session before the workout. That will fatigue you, make your workout session much less effective as it can be. Try to improve on these 5 things because you have to do it on your own. Get to work.